Dear students, in this class we have to learn about voltaic cell. It is also known as galvanic cell. That means construction of a voltaic cell and working process, reaction taking place, etc. So first one, voltaic cell or galvanic cell. First point, this cell was discovered by John Volta. This cell was discovered by John Volta, so it is referred as voltaic cell. Next one, construction of voltaic cell. Construction of voltaic cell. So in voltaic cell, first we take two separate glass tubs. In voltaic cell, now we are explaining the construction of voltaic cell. In voltaic cell, we take two separate glass tubs. This first glass tub, this is second glass tub. So the first glass tub filled with zinc sulfate solution. And the second glass tub filled with copper sulfate solution. Now, for example, this vessel is taken as A, this vessel is taken as B. So, in first vessel we take zinc sulfate, in second vessel we take copper sulfate. A zinc rod dipped in zinc sulfate solution which acts as anode. That means where oxidation reactions takes place. And a copper rod dipped in copper sulfate solution which acts as cathode C. A zinc rod dipped in zinc sulfate solution which acts as anode. That means where oxidation reaction takes place. A copper rod dipped in copper sulfate solution which acts as cathode. That means where reduction of reaction takes place. So these are the two half sides. So in voltaic cell, oxidation of cell is Zn bar Zn-SO4, or it is also written as R Zn by Zn-SO4. Generally we write bar as by. So the reduction of cell is in voltaic cell. The reduction of cell is copper rod dipped in copper sulfate. It is written as Cu copper rod or CuSO4. That means, so we know that what is reduction of cell? Copper rod dipped in copper sulfate. It is written as copper bar CuSO4. It's also written as Cu by CuSO4. Next, the two half cells. This is oxidation of cell. This is reduction of cell. Now, between these two half cells there is no any connection. Now the two half cells are connected with a salt bridge. Now the two half cells are connected with a salt bridge. What is salt bridge? First one, it is a first one salt bridge means first one it is an U-shaped glass tube, both sides opened. Next one is it filled with salt solution. Filled with salt solution like potassium chloride or potassium nitrate with a gel. That gel is gelatin gel. This gel helps to stick on the salt solution inside the glass tube. Next, the main function of the salt bridge is it connects the two half cells. So what is the main function of the salt bridge? It connects the two half cells and it causes the flow of current from oxidation of cell to reduction of cell. So let me draw the salt bridge. That means in salt bridge, we know that in oxidation of cells, oxidation of cell, we know that in oxidation of cell, oxidation takes place. That means electrons liberated. The liberated electrons migrated from oxidation of cell to reduction of cell through the salt bridge. That means this is flow of electrons. So that means from oxidation of cell to reduction of cell, in oxidation of cell, electrons liberated. The liberated electrons migrated to the reduction of cell through the salt bridge. So that means from oxidation of cell to reduction of cell, flow of electrons takes place. That means current travels from oxidation of cell to reduction of cell. So voltaic or galvanic cell is working. So that means, for example, if these two electrodes, that means anode and cathode, with a wire or circuit, let we add a ammeter. So we know that ammeter, the device which is used to calculate flow of current. Ammeter and top key is added, switch. And if in this circuit, if we add a bulb, immediately it will glow, because due to it indicates the flow of electrons. So when we remove the salt bridge, immediately the flow of electrons, that means the circuit immediately stops cut and bulb immediately will stop. That means it does not glow. So in voltaic cell, the reaction taking place. The reactions taking place in voltaic cell. So the reactions taking place in voltaic cell. We know that Zn anode. We know Zn will use 2 Zn plus 2 plus 2 electrons. So here electrons liberated, so it is known as oxidation of reaction, simply known as oxidation. So Cu plus 2 plus it gains the 2 electrons, it converts as copper solid. It is known as reduction of reaction. So in this reaction electrons liberated, so it represented an oxidation of reaction. In this reaction electrons are gained or consumed, so it is known as reduction of reaction, simply known as reduction. So what is cell reaction? When we add oxidation of reaction and reduction of reaction, the total reaction is known as cell reaction. So cell reaction means 2 electron cancel, Zn plus Cu plus 2 reversible reaction, Zn plus 2 plus Cu. So here zinc is solid, so anion is aqueous solid. So note 1, in the electric cell it may be voltaic or Daniell, any cell. In electric cells all cell reactions are reversible. So in electric cells all cell reactions are reversible. Next one, in voltaic cell the anode is represented by, generally anode is represented by plus, but in electric cells anode represented by minus, while cathode is represented by, actually cathode represented by minus, but in electric cells it is represented by plus. So these are the voltaic cell reaction taking place. At anode, oxidation reaction takes place. At cathode, reduction of reaction takes place. The liberated electrons travels to the salt bridge and reduction of reaction takes place. That means from oxidation, this is anode, this is cathode. From anode to cathode always flow of electron takes place. That is why the voltaic cell or galvanic cell is working. Voltaic cell or galvanic cell. Voltaic cell or galvanic cell, IUPAC nomenclature method. So voltaic cell or galvanic cell, IUPAC nomenclature method. So we know that IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So in IUPAC method, how a voltaic cell or galvanic cell is represented. So in IUPAC method, an voltaic cell is represented as an voltaic cell is represented as, generally we know that voltaic cell or galvanic cell. So in voltaic cell or galvanic cell, in electric cell there are two half cells. First one is oxidation half cell plus salt bridge plus reduction of cell. So first we write oxidation of cell, next salt bridge, next reduction of cell. So the salt bridge in voltaic cell, IUPAC nomenclature, salt bridge represented by represented by two parallel vertical lines. Parallel, that is say here. This is salt bridge. When we write this, it is written as this way. When we read it, we pronounce it as salt bridge. So example 1, salt bridge. First, oxidation of cell. For example, Zn bar, Zn plus 2. That means zinc rod dipped in zinc sulfate, tetrachloride Zn plus 2. Zn plus 2, oxidation of cell. Salt bridge represented as two parallel vertical lines. Next, reduction of cell. Cu plus 2 bar, Cu, copper rod dipped in copper sulfate. So example 1. Next, example 2. Zn bar, Zn plus 2, salt bridge, Ag plus bar, Ag, etc. These are the some voltaic equations for some voltaic. These are the some IUPAC and nomenclature equations for voltaic cell. Simply say some voltaic equation, voltaic cell equations.